In the summer of 2009, a storage unit was cleared out somewhere in the interior. Inside a cardboard box, underneath folded clothes and 2 broken picture frames, someone found a bundle of letters. 11 of them, tied with a shoelace. They were donated to a family shelter. No one claimed them. We don't know who M was. We only know what she wrote. The first weeks, March, end of the 90s, year approximate. I don't know the exact date anymore. He took the calendar off the wall last week, said it was making me anxious. I didn't argue. We moved here 4 months ago. I don't know the name of the street. I never learned it. He drives me everywhere. The windows face a field. There is a river somewhere behind the trees. I can hear it at night when everything is quiet. I have not spoken to my mother in 3 years. He said she died. I don't know if that's true. The phone disappears. Some weeks later, the phone is gone. He said the bill was too high. He takes it with him when he leaves in the morning. I watched him put it in the glove compartment. He didn't know I was watching. There is a neighbor, a woman. She waves sometimes from the other side of the field. I don't wave back. He asked me once why I was standing near the window. I said I wasn't. I learned to stand a little further back after that. Learning the rules. I don't know when. I have learned the rules now, not the ones he says out loud, the ones underneath. Don't ask about money. Don't mention her name, my mother's name. Don't eat before he comes home. Don't leave food on the plate. Don't be standing when he expects you to be sitting. Don't be sitting when he expects you to be useful. I write these down so I don't forget. I am afraid of what will happen if I forget. The last normal day, a Tuesday, I think. He was kind today. He brought fruit from somewhere, set it on the table, didn't say anything, just left it there. I didn't eat it until he was in the other room. I don't know why I waited. I just did. I think about what kind of person I was before. I remember laughing at something on a bus once. A stranger's dog had sat on a man's newspaper. I laughed out loud, a real laugh. I was the kind of person who laughed like that. I can't remember what that felt like. I keep trying to remember. I can't. The final entry. Something is different. He has been watching me in a new way, like he is deciding something. I wrote the neighbor's name on a piece of paper this morning, the one who waves. I slid it under the lining of my shoe. I don't know what I thought that would do. I think about the river at night. I think about it more than I used to. I think about whether it has a name, whether anyone ever named it, whether someone would remember if it disappeared. If anyone finds these letters, the river is behind the eucalyptus trees. That is all I know about where I. Below it, in a different handwriting, someone else wrote this. This bundle was found in the room. She was not there. The letters were donated in 2009. No missing persons report matching this description was found in the shelter's records for that year or the following year. We don't know what happened after entry 11. We don't know if anyone ever looked. What we know is that M wrote 11 letters, and and that someone made sure they could still be read. If you recognized anything in these words, or if you know someone who might, the National Domestic Violence Hotline is available 24 hours. 1-800-79